Alright, so hello everyone. Time for part 2. And yes, part 2 is going to be on the GUI. I don't know why it keeps opening this every time. But, so we have our code config right here. And our full code and stuff. So now we're going to be making the GUI. And the GUI, you want to be able to see it for all mobile and stuff, so we will show you how to do that. Name it code GUI. And yes, we're set on spawn. Ignore goalless.net. And then now add a frame. And what you're going to do with this frame is you're going to take it, but you're going to first set size to 0, 0, and then stretch it out. It's weird, but if you don't do this, then mobile can't see it and it looks all ugly. But if you can't like customize the size on your own, you just have to do 0 and stretch it out. So now once you have stretched out your stuff, you can add whatever detail you want. So I'm going to be doing a montage of that. Peace. Alright, so now that I've customized that, you can name your frame. I'm going to name it, name it code frame. And then, what you're going to do is you're going to add a text box for where the code is. And put it like somewhere in the middle. Maybe not have it so big. And then code box, you can name it that. And then I'm going to make this also transparent, dark. And then also with a UI corner. It just makes it a lot more professional. So there, now you have that code box. And then you can do this or whatever you want. But what you're going to do is have the text like that, and you're going to do enter 6-digit code. And you can change the fonts. Mine's going to be Dank1. And now, you also have to restretch out the thing. Actually, let me see if I already had... Yeah, you see how it looks like that? Like that, it looks all ugly. What you have to do is you have to set it to 0, 0. And then just restretch it out. And then now look at back on the thing. It's good now. You see, it's weird, but it works. And then now what you're gonna do is add a text button. And it's gonna be for enter. And I'm gonna do you can copy and paste the sizes, it'll still work. Like that. So let me show you. So before, and then let me just make it really quickly. No, not that. But yeah, after. And I'm also gonna do more professional stuff. So let me just paste that into that. Make it a little bit transparent, but have it be a green. Actually, no, yellow sort of color. And have full text saying enter. I'm going to have this one Gotham, I guess. So there. And then you're going to do code enter. And now time for the scripting part. So what you're going to do is insert a local script. And I will do a I will do a montage and then explain it. Alright. Alright, so guys, I figured it out. So do this. So script.parent.codebox.code.value. You go script.parent.parent.codebox.text, and then insert one of these. So insert a number value like this, and then name it code, and leave it at 0. And then also up here, change this. Actually, no, you don't need to change. Wait, did I change it? I don't think I did. But yeah, so then it's supposed to. And actually, before we do that, we'll do wait 1, and it'll gather the code. And so yeah, and then it'll print worked. So let's watch. So as you can see, the code will now be in here. There's the code. And when we enter it, worked. But if we type anything else, it doesn't work. But if we type this, it'll do worked number 2. And also what it'll do is if it's not a number, it won't paste it as a number. So even if I did it like this, it's going to do 33. Hold on, let me see. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this. There's going to be a part 3. So like if we did a TT, it's going to appear as 0. But if we did like a 4, 2, 3, 5, then it's going to be like that. It's wrong code. So that is basically it.